Welcome to my new listing. It's on the northeast side of Cedar Rapids. I cannot wait to show you the top 3 things I love about this home. This is JJ Johannes with IA Homes. I'm in front of 4319 Viola Street Northeast. This listing just hit the market. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home has over 3,000 finished square feet. The great room on the main level has a gas fireplace and 9-foot high ceilings. The kitchen features maple cabinets, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar to entertain. The master bedroom features 9-foot ceilings and a master suite, which has a soak-in tub, double vanity, separate shower, and walk-in closet. You will love the 3 Seasons room. It's over 260 square feet. The backyard is one of my favorite things about this property. Not only do you have the 3 Seasons room to overlook the backyard, the recently added patio has a built-in gas fire pit that you can sit around and entertain with your guest. The basement is another one of my favorite things about this property. The downstairs family room is great for having guests over. It is huge and has a gas fireplace and is wired for surround sound. In the rec room area, there's plenty of space for a pool table, a ping pong table, or whatever else you would like to have. Location is another one of my top favorite things about this property. It is located right next to Viola Gibson Elementary School. It's also located just a few blocks off of Blair's Ferry Road Northeast. So you have quick access to both Highway 100 and 380. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4319 Viola Street Northeast today. Click the link below for more detailed information about the property. This is JJ Johannes with IA Homes, hoping you have a great day.